For as long as I can remember, we've been able to use the show and hide in Microsoft Word to show and hide paragraph marks or other non-printing characters. And it's just using this button at the top here. It shows when the space bar's been pressed, when there's a line break, when there's a paragraph break, page breaks, section breaks, all of that kind of stuff. Now, this has been missing from Google Docs, and it's something that a lot of the people I meet ask me how to do, but we can now do it. So they've added the view non-printing characters feature into Google Docs. So I've come into Google Docs now, and I have a document on the screen, and all I need to do to show these non-printing characters is to go to the view menu at the top, show non-printing characters. And here I can see I've got a line break there with that little arrow. I've got a paragraph break there. The dot between report and the year, that's where I've pressed the space bar. And also I can clearly see my section breaks.